Hello there, I'm the Thirsty Bookworm. Today I'm going to show you my workaround to the ideal flask for myself. I've been wanting a flask to bring with me to family functions since I learned about the power of alcohol to make unbearable situations more bearable. Like most nerds, I started researching. Steel flasks are often not as advertised and can cause off flavors and even change the color of the booze over time. Titanium flasks are expensive, and who knows if they are clean or how full they are. Plastic, while transparent and durable, lacks a certain je ne sais quoi. Glass was what I wanted, but it turns out cool glass flasks are hard to come by, expensive, or much larger than I wanted. I wanted enough for a drink or two, not enough to get hammered, or more importantly, so much that people expect me to share. So I ordered these off Amazon in a 6-pack with grandiose plans. Perhaps someday I'll share my other ideas.
Now with Flex Minis, you can grab and go. Plus, they're freaking adorable.
My initial intention was to dip the bottom into a can of Flex Seal and let it drip down like the wax on a bottle of Maker's Mark. But the spray cans were way cheaper, and so am I. Everyone say hello to Obi and Juno. That's Obi the gray dog, and that's Juno, the black one. I got a little heavy-handed with the spray right around here, and ended up with a pretty big run. It didn't really bother me though, but it's something to pay attention to. It was at this point that I realized I should have put some gloves on in order to take the tape off. So I'm not sure how long is ideal to wait to take the tape off, but it roughly is the amount of time it takes to walk from the backyard, around to the front of the house, into the garage, find the gloves in the cabinet, walk all the way back around, put them on, and press the record button on your phone once again. That seemed to be about just right. Honestly, this line came out a lot cleaner than I expected it to. It looks pretty sharp. Here's my nice crisp lines and that big glob of a run. I think I ended up pressing it in with my thumb, and it squished it down a little bit.
The next day.
So I let it dry overnight without messing with it, which is very difficult for someone like me. And this is the final product. I would call this a successful proof of concept. A person who was more artistic, determined, patient, handsome, and had more attention to detail could certainly make this into a real piece of art. As it is, it certainly feels more robust now. Hopefully this helps someone, somewhere. If you have any other cool flask ideas, let me know. Thanks a lot. I'm the Thirsty Bookworm. Talk to you later.